Eagle View Ranch, one of the best opportunities in western Colorado. Situated on 237 acres, just minutes from Newcastle, Silt, and Rifle, with senior water rights on East Divide Creek and East Divide Ditch, Eagle View Ranch is packed with amenities. There's a 60-acre hayfield, plenty of pastures for grazing, a stocked pond with trophy trout, and one of the most prized assets, the water. From fresh Rocky Mountain spring water for drinking to all the extensive water rights, you have the luxury of irrigating well into late summer. Perched atop a knoll overlooking West Divide Creek, this beautiful 3-bedroom home with nearly 4,500 square feet. The large windows let you capture the epic mountain views from every angle. Cozy up to the large stone fireplace or whip up a meal in the gourmet kitchen and then dine outside on the wraparound deck where you can soak up those perfect Colorado summer nights. Add in the caretaker's quarters, heated garage, greenhouse and workshop, and several barns, and Eagle View Ranch has everything you need right at your fingertips. You're just minutes from I-70 and a short drive from Grand Junction and Glenwood Springs. And when you're here, enjoy complete privacy and serenity as you explore the ranch that feels more like a nature preserve with golden and bald eagles, deer and elk, as well as the extraordinary landscape of mesas and valleys. Call today and schedule a private showing of Eagle View Ranch and come experience the views, amenities, privacy, and water only this property has to offer.